How to fade an image in Figma. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First thing you're going to do is you're going to create a square shape that is going to have the same background color as your main background, and you're going to place it on top of the pizza image. After that, you're going to select the square and go to fill color and change it from solid to linear. Then you're going to select the second point color and drag the opacity all the way to 100, after which you will select the first point of color like this. After that, just select both the pizza and the gradient on top of it and duplicate them. Pick the first one and select the use as mark or CTRL plus ALT plus M. This will take your gradient and will only apply it on the image. After that, you will simply now drag the gradient on top of the pizza so that it's perfectly aligned and group them. Once you're happy with the gradient color, you're good to export it. In this case, I changed the fade to white because the background of my website is white. Now here's how it looks after export. Simply select both layers, right click on them and use as mask to apply the gradient fade onto the image. This is how to fade an image in Figma. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.